Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm over here at the Novi boat show right here in Novi, Michigan, and I love this show. Kicks off the whole spring for us, and while I'm here kind of just wandering around, I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report to you guys on, and running across something that's really neat, especially for you wakeboarders out there. I'm here with Weston. Weston, how are you, brother?
Good, how are you?
Typically, Weston, from what I understand, when you've got a regular wakeboard rope out there, you're adjusting it every 5 feet. With this, it's not necessary to do that every 5 feet. You can adjust it as much as you want.
So you can adjust it between, normal wakeboard ropes start at 55 feet, and you can adjust it every 5 feet, which this doesn't accommodate for beginner riders, and doesn't accommodate advanced riders who want to land a new trick, but keep ending up short on the wake, or keep over jumping the wake. So you can adjust it into the sweet spot.
Well, and the other neat thing that I understand is we talked about earlier, I'm not a small guy, right?
Yeah.
So if I go from me out there on my water skis to say my daughter who's all of maybe 100 pounds soaking wet, we're going to have different sweet spots on the wake, and this would help for us to be able to adjust to that, right?
My friend JJ, he's 250 pounds. He cannot jump the wake at 55 feet, so we actually bring him in at 40 feet, and he's able to jump the wake there.
Yeah. So if you're kind of a beginner and just learning how, are you going to be able to adjust this to the correct space away from the boat to make it easier for you to be able to get involved with wakeboarding and water skiing and hydro slides and all that kind of stuff?
Yep.
Nice. So what else kind of advantages are you going to have by using this behind your boat rather than a traditional rope?
So when I was trying to learn the back roll, one of my problems was I wasn't very consistent with my speed, and a lot of times I would come up short and land on top of the wake, and this would cause me to crash.
Okay.
So I was able to just pull myself in a foot and a half, and I was landing on the trough of the wake every time. So.
Now, am I the one adjusting it as the skier, or is there somebody on the boat that's adjusting it that's the spotter?
The spotter will do all the adjustments.
Okay, so it kind of connects up at the arm on the boat, and then I just don't have to think about it other than say, hey, give me more slack or give me less.
Yep.
I love it, my man. And you invented this.
Yep.
Okay, how long's this technology been out there? Has it been a while, or is it just a little while
over
now?
The summer.
Okay.
It, so.
I have one last question. Again, I'm not a small guy, and this rope looks like it's kind of small. Is it going to handle a guy 300 plus behind it?
2,500 pound braking strength is actually a normal fabric.
I'm just under that. I think we're good. This rope can handle 2,500 pounds.
Yep.
Love it. You got a great product, Weston. We wish you all the best. dabarnz with a Z.com. Make sure you go there. Check out this new product. If you're a wakeboarder, surfer, water skier, hydro slider, you're absolutely going to love this product. dabarnz.com. Thanks, guys. We'll see you out on the water.